Hey guys, how's it going? How to buy, download, and set a song from iTunes Store as a ringtone on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your browser. Now, can you buy a song on iTunes and make it your ringtone? The easiest way to set a song as your ringtone is to buy one from the iTunes section on the iTunes Store on your iPhone. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen, and before I go to my iTunes, I'm gonna just go ahead to my settings, and basically what I'm gonna do is scroll a little bit down and then scroll a little bit down until you find your sounds and haptics basically. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your ringtone, and if you didn't like any of those tools or sounds on your iPhone, just go ahead and click download or go ahead to the tone store basically, and you're gonna be able to see all of your iTunes purchased songs or ringtones, sorry, on iTunes basically, right? So as you can see, you will be able to see it right here. Let's say for example this song from Sia, and I'm gonna just go ahead right here and buy that song. Now that song will become my new my new ringtone, and here you're gonna be able to see the purchase basically, and you're gonna be able to see your purchased list, and you're gonna be able to set it as a ringtone on your iPhone. So this is the easiest way to do it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.